to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I often put in surprise uploads, so if you don't want to miss anything, go ahead and not only hit subscribe, but hit the bell. This little cutie is from the Alpine wig pop line, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, wig pop. These are their full cap wigs. This is Miss Paulina. I have a review on her. But in this video, I'm doing something so exciting. I am sharing with you a wig haul, and these are all wigs that I actually have backups of. So these are wigs that I have reviews on, that I love, and that I actually love so much that I got backups of them. So I want to share that with you because I have so many wigs and review so many wigs that if I'm getting a backup, they're very special. I have a whole bag. All right, so I'm not gonna take them out, but I am just gonna share them. And also I got all of them in colors that are different from the ones that I have. So I am gonna go through and film videos on these favorite wigs and compare the old colors to the new colors to see if I actually still like them if they're in a different color, because I have found wigs that I either hated them and then once I got them a different color I loved them, or vice versa. I'm just going to share these. If there's a wig that you see me and you want to see the comparison, you want to see it in the 2 colors, let me know and I will bump it up on the rotation. These are in no particular order, but the first one that I grabbed up is Miss January, and I absolutely love January. I have a review on her. I have her in the color OF23033, and I got her in the color OF273613. So if you can see in there, she's got a lot more blonde. This one's a lot more blonde. So this one I'm curious to see if I still like her. Sort of this lighter color, so I don't know. So this is one of the ones I scooped up, and this is January. And I got her from Glamour Trust for $18.49. Next out of the bag is Nunu. I love this wig. This is the Janet Collection Extended Part Lace, Extremely Deep Part Lace wig, and this is Miss Nunu. I have her in the color that's on the stock card, which is this mocha blonde, but I got her in a golden blonde, which you can see is sort of like more of a brown color. The mocha blonde is definitely in the ash family. I love Nunu. I slept in Nunu. I just love Nunu. So I wanted to see, I wanted a backup of her, and often this mocha brown is actually sold out, and they do have her in a color, I think it's like chocolate brown. I think chocolate brown I'd like to get her in, but I got her in this, so that's Nunu. Scooped her up from Hair Sisters. This is the first time I've ordered from Hair Sisters. I had a really good experience. It came faster than I thought it would, and I scooped her up for $19.95. On a lot of websites, she's like $30–40 still, so that was a steal. So I got her from Hair Sisters for $19.95. Next up is Model's Alpine Meadow. I absolutely love her. I have her in the color OH701, and I got her in the color that's shown on the stock card, which is OH227.9. She's similar to the one I have, but the one I have, and you can look at the review, is just, it has really chunky 613 highlights in the front, super chunky. This one seems to be a little bit more blended, and I got her from Wig Types for $21.79, so I got a backup of Alpine Meadow. Next is one of my Free Trust Equal Lace Part wigs, Viva. And I currently have Viva in the color FF427, and I scooped her up this time in the color FF30, so face framing in that 30 color. She looks really similar. Oh, she's darker, if you can see. The one I have is more of a light. Actually, I think I have her. Hold on. I actually have the original one because I was doing an update and she needs to be washed, so I have her sitting out to go get washed. So this is the 427. You can just see the 427. It's just a lighter, same color on the top, but lighter. Yeah, this one's just a darker. So it's very, very similar. It's just not going to have as much of this lightness in there. So I'm excited to try that. And next is one of my favorites, and this is Sensational Shana. I love Shana. I have her, this is their Sheer Muse line, and they have these colors. So I have her in this one, which is the dark ash gray. I'm sorry, dark ash blonde ombre. I have her in that. I want to get her in the medium light ash, but I got her in golden blonde ombre. So I have her in this ashy and I got her in this. So I'm excited to see what she looks like. I love Shana. I literally slept in Shana for 3 days. I threw her in a bag. I washed her and she like came right back to life. I do have an update video on her and an original review, so you might want to check her out because I absolutely love her. Oh, I put this in here just to remember this is Shana. This is the first one I have. This is the dark ash blonde. You can see it's super ashy. She smells so good. She smells just like fabric softener because that's what I use, Downy. I did film a video on how I wash my wigs, and yeah, just Shana. I love Shana. I love her. The length is perfect. She's this like gorgeous yaki textured. Oh my gosh, I love Shana. And last but not least, the last one I got was Outrage's Dominican Blowout Straight. I have her, I feel like she looks not different. I have her in like this kind of color. Yeah, I have her in the BH 950/425, and I got her in the BH 4/2730. So not this color, but very similar. It's just going to be darker for more of the time. You can see that, but definitely has that 4 color, the 27 and the 30 highlights. So I'm excited because I love this wig. And she is like, she's very dark. Which I don't mind because she's this color, but I think the same wig in a lighter color is going to be fabulous. Those are the backup wigs that I got. That's my backup wig haul. Any of the ones you want to see me compare the old color to the new color and do all that jazz, just put that down below. What are the wigs that you either have backups of or want to have backups of? Like, I really would like to know what your favorite wigs are. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.